Welcome to Academic Game Tutorials. The topic of today's class is Fluidity and Engineering Analyses of Pouring, Underheating and Pouring. We are studying fundamentals of metal casting, and metals for casting. We will cover all related topics one by one. Before starting, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, just click on subscribe, and press the bell icon. Here, we come up with new videos on different subjects, to make the academic studies easier for you. So, into the topic. The engineering analyses of pouring. Bhanu's equation is an important relationship that governs the flow of liquid metal through the gating system and into the mold. It states that the sum of the energies at any 2 points in a flowing liquid are equal. This can be written in the following form. H1 plus P1 divided by rho plus V1 square divided by twice G plus F1 equals to H2 plus P2 divided by rho plus V2 square divided by twice G plus F2, where H represents head, expressed in centimeters. P represents pressure on the liquid, expressed in Newton per square centimeter. V represents flow velocity, expressed in centimeter per second. G represents gravitational acceleration constant, 981 centimeter per second, and F represents head losses due to friction, expressed in centimeters. The subscripts 1 and 2 indicate any two locations in the liquid flow. Bhanu's equation may be simplified if we ignore losses due to friction as follows. H1 plus V1 square divided by twice G equals to H2 plus V2 square divided by twice G. Bhanu's equation may be simplified further. Let's define point 1 at the top of a sprue, and point 2 at its base. If point 2 is used as a reference plane, then H2 equals to 0, and H1 is the height of the sprue. When molten metal is poured into the pouring cup, and overflows down the sprue, its initial velocity at the top is 0, that is 1 equals to 0. Hence the equation becomes H1 equals to V2 square divided by twice G. Now solving this equation for flow velocity, we get V equals to root over twice G, H, where V is the velocity of the liquid metal at the base of the sprue, expressed in centimeter per second, and H is the height of the sprue. Another important relationship during pouring is the continuity law. It states that the volume rate of flow remains constant throughout the liquid, and expressed as Q equals to V1A1 equals to V2A2, where Q equals volumetric flow rate, expressed in cubic centimeters per second. A equals cross-sectional area of the liquid, expressed in centimeters square, and the subscripts 1 and 2 refer to any 2 points in the flow system. The time required to fill a mold cavity, MFT, in seconds, can be described as MFT equals to V divided by Q, where V equals volume of mold cavity, expressed in cubic centimeters. Fluidity. Fluidity is the inverse of viscosity. It is a measure of the capability of a metal to flow into and fill the mold before freezing. The factors affecting fluidity are the pouring temperature, the metal composition, the viscosity of the liquid, and the heat transfer to the surrounding. Spiral mold test. As we can see in this figure, the spiral mold test is a standard test method to assess fluidity, in which fluidity is indicated by the length of the solidified metal in the spiral channel. So, we have discussed in details about fluidity and engineering analysis of pouring, under the topic heating and pouring, during casting. Thank you.